Hi guys, Ricardo here at Alfresco Kitchens Melbourne. We've just finished a renovation for an enclosed Alfresco kitchen, so come with me and have a look. So here we have the Infresco enclosed approved barbecue for indoor use. We also have the range hood that moves over 2,000 cubes per hour. It includes the interlocking device, so that way the barbecue is safe for your family and will be approved for indoor use. Plumber will connect it for you, no problem at all. So all your insurances are covered. So the actual setting up of this guy would be, you'd need the interlocking device, which comes with our range hoods. Here's the setup here, just in the cupboard. So your plumber will connect the plumbing and an electrician will be required to set up the isolation valve. Here's what it looks like. So the actual barbecue, guys, this is the Infresco 1185 triple combo. So this customer here has a hot plate, an open cast grill, a nice roasting hood, and also has that nice commercial 25 megajoule wok. So that's going to get everything done nice and quick and super efficient for you and your family will enjoy. Just letting you guys know how the interlocking works. So the interlocking device provides the safety feature of restricting gas flow to your barbecue unless the range hood is actually turned on and drawing power. So the minimum height, you guys, for an enclosed Alfresco kitchen to be compliant with BBQ Safely Victoria is actually 1350 high from the barbecue. That's what we've got here, 1350 high up to the bottom of the range hood, and the range hood then needs to move that 2,000 cubes per hour and have that solenoid connected to the barbecue, restricting gas flow to the barbecue.